So I'm Kilian and I'm part of the GrowbotHub team. We're quite happy that today we finally achieved to mount all the structure together. There's only a couple adjustments left to do on the robot arm in order to it to be calibrated for our plants. But everything is going well, and all that up in the Glacier, which is amazing. So the GrowbotHub is not only an effort of EPFL. We collaborated with members from Zurich that are at the School of Applied Science. They were responsible for designing and creating the vegetables and the pots where the vegetable fit in. And we provided them with this structure and the robot that automatically harvests and puts in new plants into the system.